progeCAD tutorial. Create hatches out of images and blocks with the Superhatch command. progeCAD Superhatch command allows to create stunning hatches out of images, blocks, external references, and wipeout objects. To perform this hatch, go to the menu Express Tools and select the Superhatch command. Select the Superhatch type, for example image, and select an image for the Superhatch pattern. Specify an insertion point and a scale factor. Confirm or modify the image position and pick a point inside the area to hatch. On clicking the right mouse button, the Superhatch is performed. The block option allows to create hatch patterns on the run with different layers, colors, line types. Specify an insertion point, the X scale factor, the Y scale factor, and the rotation angle. The magenta rectangle indicates the tile distances of rows and columns which compose the hatch pattern. To finish the hatch, pick a point inside the area to hatch. Superhatch allows to achieve realistic render effects and to simulate the use of materials also in 2D drawings. Besides, progeCAD lets you generate gradient patterns and cut hatches, giving the possibility of a better management of drawings with vast hatched areas. Download for free a complete 30-day version of progeCAD from progesoft.com.